You know that stiff, off-balance feeling that clings to you in the morning? Like something inside your body is stuck, even if you can't name it? This flow is built to realign everything from your lower back to your core, from your breath to your balance. Let's hit the mat. If your hips feel like rusted hinges, this is your oil. Sit on the floor, knees bent, feet flat, and wider than hip width. Slowly let your right knee drop towards your left foot. Return to center, then do the opposite side. Move like breath, slow and steady. Your hips hold emotional tension, anger, fatigue, even fear. And internal rotation helps unlock that. Beginners, keep your hands behind you for support. Advanced switches, sit taller and remove hand support. Internal hip rotation directly affects the way you walk, stand, and even sleep. Now give me 5 more seconds of full control. That just unlocked your hips. Now let's realign the spine. Every reset needs a rhythm. Here's where you find yours. On all fours, wrists under shoulders and knees under hips. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest, and tailbone, cow. Exhale, around your spine, tuck your chin, pull your belly in, cat. Don't just move, breathe with it. Feel each vertebra roll like a wave. If your mornings start in a hunch posture, this resets your entire spine. Can you feel the stuck spots release as you breathe deeper into each round? Hold your next cow for 5. Now hold your next cat for 5. That just resets your spine. Now let's open it sideways. Time to release tension that's hiding deep in your upper back. From all fours, take your right arm and slide it under your left, palm up. Lower your shoulder and ear to the floor. Breathe into your upper back, hold, then switch sides at 30 seconds. Beginners, keep your hips high. Advanced stretches, extend the top arm overhead for a deeper release. Did you know this move helps decompress the thoracic spine, the part that locks up from phone and desk use? Ask yourself, can you melt this tension, not force it? Last 5 seconds. Let gravity do the work. That just released your upper back. Now let's lengthen the front line. Your spine has moved back, forward, and side to side. Now it's time to extend and open. Lie on your stomach, hands on the shoulders. Press into your palms and lift your chest. Elbows bent, hips grounded. Gaze slightly up or breathe into your ribs. Feel stuck? Wiggle the shoulders gently. Too much? Lower down into Sphinx pose for support. Cobra activates the spine's natural arch and strengthens your posture without straining. Hold it. Now press just a little taller for the final 5. That just opened your breath. Now let's ground it into the hips. You made it. Now let's lock in the reset with full body awareness. Lie on your back, hug your right knee into your chest. Switch at 30 seconds to your left. Rock side to side if it feels natural. Beginners, keep the other leg bent. Advanced stretches, straighten the extended leg for a deeper hip stretch. Ask yourself, where do I feel tension that I've been ignoring? That's your final challenge. Can you let your body exhale here? Hold for the last 5. Sink into the floor.